So this is very handy function, and you will have a lot of practice on div mode. Div mode or whole quotient remainder is powerful concept in programming, and you will use it in multiple places. We'll come and talk about it. But right now I just wanted to introduce it to you. We already know about int, we already know about float. Couple of things I want to tell you about float. So let's see if I think I have commented out here everything. Let's see, I want to say example 3.5. So let's say you say a equal to 5.2 and you say b equal to 2.4 and I say print a plus b. Mika, what do you think will be the result?
Um, 5.2, 2.5.
5.2, 2.5. Awesome, right? But now I want to do the mathematical operation on these two. So, Akash, what do you think we can do? I really want to add those two numbers, not join the two string. What do I do?
You convert the a and b to integers in R now?
No, you wouldn't convert to integer. Remember, this is a float.
Or float, I mean, sorry.
Right?
Float.
You will do float. So what you will do is you say float and convert a and then say float, convert b also. So in one print statement, again, I'm doing chaining. Your print, it will first convert to float. This will get converted to float. Then those two numbers will be added and then it will be printed. Yeah, go ahead, Dev.
Why can't we just put the float command along with the string in the variable, like float?
I could have. I just wanted. See, I don't want to give you the same format all the time, because sometimes it is possible that you will read code like this. So I wanted to intentionally. I'm creating a variation. Make sense?
Okay.
I could have done that. You're right. I could have done it like this here, right? But I intentionally did not create it. I wanted to show you chaining also, so that your eyes or your brain receives that hey, there are multiple possibilities. Rather than first converting to float, I converted here itself. So this line, actually, if you look at from memory or processor angle, we are doing multiple things. We are saying first, read value of B, read value of A. That's one. Then convert to float, convert to float. Then we are saying add those two numbers. Then I'm saying finally print the value. So all 4 or 5 operations happening in just one. And that is the beauty, that is the power of Python.